Pag natapos yung interview, tapos tinanong ka ng interviewer, do you have any questions for me? Usually sign to na hindi maganda yung performance mo dun sa interview. Ang ibig sabihin kasi, hindi ka nagtanong during the interview. In case hindi mo pa nare-realize, 90% ng call center work ay asking questions. So kung hindi ka nagtanong during the interview, automatic, red flag yon. Bilang recruiter, tinetest din namin yung mga job applicant kung nagtatanong sila sa interview. So kung hindi ka nagtanong, syempre minus points yun sa'yo. Kaya nga nang sinabi ko, 90% ng call center work ay asking questions. Pagkatapos mo magpakilala, thank you for calling, my name is Kevin, how can I help you? Yung unang tanong. So, ulit, yung unang tanong ay how can I help you? Pangalawang tanong, may I have your name? May I have your account number? May I ask you some questions so I can secure your account? Puro tanong na yan, sunod-sunod. Can you tell me more about the problem? When did you first experience the problem? Have you called us before? So on and so forth. Puro siya tanong. So bago ka umabot dun sa problem-solving part, bago ka umabot dun sa satisfied customer part, magtatanong ka. One of the things na gusto ko i-share ay magtanong ka during the interview. Meron akong listahan ng questions, i-share ko dito at available din to sa free reviewer. Bukas ulit.